Think you need a fat bank account to get started in real estate investing? Think again. Today we're diving into the powerful concept of sweat equity, your secret weapon for building wealth in real estate without needing a ton of cash up front. Sweat equity is the value you create in a property through your own hard work and improvements. Instead of putting in money, you put in time, skills, and effort to increase the property's value. Think renovations, repairs, landscaping, anything that transforms a diamond in the rough into a shining gem. Sweat equity is a powerful tool for several reasons. Lower barrier to entry. You don't need a huge down payment or piles of cash to get started. Forced appreciation. By improving a property, you directly increase its value, often far more than the cost of your efforts. Attracting investors, sweat equity shows potential partners or lenders that you're committed and capable, making it easier to get financing. There are many ways to leverage sweat equity. The fix and flip. Buy a distressed property, renovate it, and sell for a profit. The BRRRR method. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. A strategy for building long-term rental portfolios. Live-in flips. Live in the property while you renovate, then sell or rent for profit. Partnerships. Team up with someone who has the money but needs your skills and labor. Creative financing. Explore options like seller financing, hard money loans, or private lenders who value sweat equity. Sweat equity is more than just DIY work. It's a way to demonstrate your value proposition to potential investors. Show your skills, document your renovation projects, and highlight your expertise. Build a track record. Even small projects can show potential partners your ability to add value. Create a compelling pitch. Clearly outline your plan, budget, and the potential return on investment. Offer a win-win deal. Structure deals that offer investors a fair return while rewarding your hard work. Sweat equity is the ultimate equalizer in real estate. It doesn't matter where you start, only how hard you're willing to work. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the skills, the hustle, and the determination to create something of value. Want to learn more about sweat equity strategies and how to build your real estate empire? Hit that subscribe button for more tips, case studies, and expert advice. Your dream of financial freedom starts with sweat equity. Let's get to work.